In today's program, we observe the Brony in its natural habitat, BronyCon. Join us as our secret cameramen witness the never-before-seen social life of these internet-dwelling outcasts. Here we see two bronies performing an ancient ritualistic dance passed down for generations. The bronies then compete for dominance by engaging in show trivia and referencing dank memes. The winner is crowned as the group's leader with a ceremonial fedora crown. The defeated bronies willfully lay down to be sacrificed with a unicorn horn to their mighty god, Lorne Faust. The brony diet consists largely of Doritos and the tears of little girls that can't find what they want in the pink aisle. Besides that, much of the brony lifestyle remains unknown. One known fact regarding repopulation involves conversion, which is a surprisingly rapid and mysterious process. Bronies have little use for modern forms of payment and prefer to trade in ponies. Here we see a brony converting his useless dollar currency into pony merchandise. Thank you for viewing today's program. Together we can explore and perhaps someday understand the ways of the brony species. Thank you and goodbye.
I'm gonna go find a fedora.
Go find it!
Hurry up!
Can you believe it? We're having trouble finding a fedora at BronyCon?